if we can see, this is our database management system, and this is included different. This is user can interact with database. Then database technology and management. Second part, then database administrations, then data planning and modeling methodology. So these are the different role of database management system. Then database applications examples: student record keeping system, banking system, airline reservation system, hospital management system, hotel management system, and there is a railway reservation systems. Lot of example of database application are available. So what is need? Database system reduce the data redundancy. Now here data redundancy mean to say duplication of the data. So it does not allow to enter duplicate information in the database. So database system control the data inconsistency, all copy may not be updated properly. So data facilitate the sharing of data. Data isolation, data is different format. Then continue. A centralized database can be ensure data security, so every users of the system would able to access only the data they permit to use. So integrity can be maintained through the database. So integrity may be required to satisfy the constraints. Constraints means so different type of rule that can be applied on our database during the designing. So here is our local database, and there is DBMS, and this is user can request and data will process and reply to the users. So these are the needs of database. So then component of database system. So various component of data system are described. So let us understand with the help of your pictorials. This is your database, then it is interlinked with database management system. Then database management systems has some applications, and these applications are accessed by the end users. End user mean to say a person that work with that particular applications. Now understand, let us understand what a user can be varied type. It can be database administrator, system or application developer, and end user. So database provides the following service to users: database creations. So DBMS help to user to create and identify the required data in turn a database. It manages or and organize the required data and database. But data maintenance, it help in maintenance of the data and database by addition, deletion, and modification and regular updation of the tables and its record. Then database processing perform the one of major task of the query processing. We will study about query in class 11th, and we will also explain this concept in this unit. So it is the process of query or information required of the user and retrieve necessary information from the database. Then second is database application. Database application may be personal, department, enterprise, and internal. It may be general purpose or customized as per the need of user. Then DBMS is software that allow user to define, create, access, and manage database. So it is term as a database, for example MySQL and Oracle. Then database, it is the collection of logical data. Then advantage of database. So main eliminating of data redundancy, then data consistency, sharing of data, reduce programming efforts, database enforce standards, improve data integrity, privacy and security, economical, improve backup and recovery system, meeting enterprise requirement than individual requirements. So this is all about your basic data concept. of database management system. After going through this video, you will complete the assignment. Thank you.